Because of the pandemic, people are being laid off, and they realize that they need to think in a way that they've never done before. An executive workshop is a very good place for them to think aloud, to think of some of the fears that they probably have been thinking on their own and don't know a way out.
I had to react to changes because of the pandemic. So I decided that it was time for me to move out of that comfort zone that I was in for a good 8 years, and reach out to something that I have not done before. I have a family, I have a child. So for me, I was like, look, it's time for me to just take a pause, hold off whatever I've had. That was when I realized that, hey, I need to do something. So from there, I actually learned what I want, and I tailor specific cover letters and resume to that job. The big difference, I would say, is that with a clearer resume and a clearer cover letter, I have a clearer picture of what hiring managers want right now. Before, I was applying just randomly over 100, 200 over jobs. Right now, I can pick and choose to suit what I want that already fit what I've done. Things change from there, because for me, attending that workshop is more of how I say networking. You know, how you network yourself out to people. It opened up more pages in terms of sourcing what's available out there in the market.